Is editing the reason you've not been posting in 2024? Well, say no to no posting with these Capcut features that enables you to edit your videos as soon as possible and put out for your viewers' engagement. Welcome to my class. It's your girl Linda, and today we are going to look at the Capcut features that enables you to edit your videos and start putting them out. These Capcut editing features help you up your game in video editing, and these features include Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it.
Open the Capcut, click on New Project, just scroll through your gallery and choose the particular video that you intend to work on and import it into the Capcut app. Then play it to be sure it's this particular video that you intend to work on, because sometimes we record more than one video before we get that particular one that we really need. So play it and be sure this is the particular one you want.
When it comes to creating content, one of the most crucial elements is your thumbnail. It is the first thing your viewers get to see when
it comes to cutting out sections of your video, cutting out part of your videos, you have to be very careful. Now, when you want to cut out part of your video, it does not mean that that particular part you want to cut out is useless or it can't be used. Most time we get to say a lot of things in the beginning of our video, hereby making it bulky. If you notice that you said so much in the beginning, all you just need to do is when you cut out this part, you shift it to the back. But if the part you're cutting out is actually a part that you don't need in the video, then when you cut it, you delete it. I'm going to show you how to do that now. The first thing you want to do is to play your video and target where you want to split. You can play like twice in order to get the particular place you want to split. Then you click on split. You keep watching so you can determine the other end you're going to split. Now, this tactic is good if you want to remove that section and take it to another part mostly, or you want to cut out a section that is in the middle of your video. After the part you want to cut out has been successfully split on both sides, you drag it to the back. I do this a lot because I don't want to bore my viewers with a lot of talking in the beginning, while at the same time I don't want to lose vital information, so I just shift them to the back and impute them at the end of my video. But if you don't need what you said there, it was a bluff, all you just need to do is after splitting, you click on it, then click on delete, then it's gone. Two things you can add as overlay is either you add picture as overlay or you add video as overlay. So we're going to start with adding picture as an overlay. So you click on overlay, add overlay. It will take you to your gallery where you get to choose the particular picture you want to introduce as your overlay. Click on add. It adds to your video. Then you shift it to the corner where you want it to be. If you want to remove the background and all that, then you can proceed to removing background, but we are not just going to do that one now. I just want to show you how to import your picture. Now, in the case of overlay, whatever you're working on, you have to click on it first. If you don't click on it, it's going to work on something else. Now, in this case, I'm working on the picture. I click on the picture. If I'm working on the background, I click on the background. So if you want to work on the picture and you don't click on it, you end up working on the background. Now that we're done with picture, let's import video. Now click on your overlay, which takes you to your gallery where you get to choose the video you want to add. Click on your video, click on add, then it comes on board. Then you adjust like we did for picture, take it to the angle where you want it to be. There's something interesting about this song. We are going to remove the background. Now, if you are going to be producing content where you are reacting to people's videos, this is the perfect thing you need. All you just need to do is remove the background of your video while the main video you're reacting to is the background. Then the background for your new video is being removed. And voila. So let's try that out. Now we have two videos playing, so we have a video inside the video. Isn't that great? Yes, so let's go to the next one. So you click on text, click on templates. Now we're not typing, so we want to use a template that is already on Capcut. Then you click on subscribe. You want to tell your viewers to subscribe to your channels. Now you place it where you want it to be, but if you are observant, you notice that the bell in that subscribe was ringing. So it gets the position where it starts to ring. It gets the exact position where it starts to ring. Now if you've gotten that position, all you need to do is to go to audio, then you click on sounds, then you come and type bell ringing. You can see that I've typed it before. It will bring out different sounds for bell ringing. You click on the one you want, then you play it and add your desired sound.
When it comes to creating content,
You like that, right? Now let's go back to adding text to our video. Now I want to type out a normal text and add to our video. So let's start by typing video editing. Now after typing that, we'll go to styles, from font to styles. Now under styles, we'll work on the text. Play around with the colors there till we finally choose the particular one we want, which is black. Now having done that, the next thing is to choose the background for your text. If you want a background like this, you indicate, depending on the background you want. Now I would have loved to make the text curve, but that feature is not applicable for videos. If you're working on a picture background, then the curve will be available, but because it's a video, the curve is not available. You can see that it's not as bold as other features there, so you can't use curved text for a video. The next thing to do is to change the font of our text. So let's go and play with the fonts there till we finally choose the one we're going to use. It's time to talk about animations. So let's use animations. Now you type your text. Now you reduce the size of this text to fit into the screen. After reducing the size, then you place it where you want to be. Then you proceed to your animation. There are different types of animations here. You decide how your text is going to appear on your screen. You can increase the velocity or reduce the velocity at which the text come out. You just try out a couple of them. You can always try out all the animations there, then you choose the particular one that resonates with you. To add voice notes, click on edit, scroll to the far right. You will see a microphone symbol there. When you see it, click on it. It brings you to the countdown. Once it's done counting, it starts to read. Then you can start talking. When you're done recording, you click on the microphone symbol again. It will stop recording. Then you come back and listen to your voice notes to make corrections if there's any way you want to make corrections. So let's listen to our voice record. Hi, welcome to my class. It's your girl Linda, and today we are going to talk about thumbnails. So today I'm going to show you how to create your thumbnail from the scratch. You can also split, cut, delete when it comes to voice notes too. So anywhere you add a bluff or anywhere you say something that you don't want, you can also split it and delete it. First, you click on effects, takes you here, you click on video effects, then a couple of video effects pops up. Now, you get to play around with a lot of them. We have different types of video effects. We have the vibration flash, diamond zoom. So you just click on them to see, what each of them does. Then you choose one, come and check the effect on your video. If you like it, then you can stick with it. But if you do not like it, you can go back and change the effect that you chose. Now, after you've done that one, you can decide to go to body effects. Now, under body effects, this one is going to have effect on you, just you. So you get to play around with all the effects there, but note that the effect is going to happen to you, who happens to be the subject in the video. So just play around with a couple of them to finally decide on which one to pick. Most time I don't even bother using this body effects. No, I don't use them. What I use is animations. Let's go and use animations. To use animation, first you have to decide if you want the effect to be at the beginning of your video or the later part of your video. Now, whatever you want the effect to be, you split your video. Let your video start from there. That if you don't want the effect to be from the beginning, then you split where you want it to be, and you click on animation. Then you get to see a couple of them. You choose the one you want, then increase the intensity, or you reduce the intensity depending on how you want it and the speed at which you want it. So you just get to play with a couple of them. I advise most times that in your free time, just play around with all these features. Trust me, they are not even difficult, and you get to learn a whole lot on how to work with most of these features present on Capcut. Capcut app is actually one of the simplest apps you can actually play with and maneuver your way. It does not stress you. It makes it a lot more easier, and it makes your work a lot more faster. Most time I use the Capcut app. It gives me what I want. So I would always recommend Capcut for now, until I come across a super dope app that makes it easier. Remember, it is very important that you are sourcing the one that makes it easier, because we don't want to be delaying our videos. We want something that can make us produce our video as soon as possible. So enjoy your Capcut, play around with your Capcut, enjoy your Capcut till we find something else that is competitive and more productive.
I hope you enjoyed today's class, and I hope you started implementing what we've discussed in our class. If you found this class helpful, please do endeavor to watch our previous videos, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel while I keep bringing you tips on how to achieve your online journey. Having said that, I'll see you in my next class.